welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my very first Glam Bag X. This one was in collaboration with Patrick Todd, so I'm really excited about the products that we're getting in here. In case you're not familiar with the new Glam Bag X from Ipsy, it's $55 every quarter. So it comes every 3 months. The next one will be in May. And they collaborate with celebrities and influencers to curate what's in the box, from what I understand. So this time was Patrick Todd, which if you're really into makeup, you probably know who he is, but some may not. He's a celebrity makeup artist and he works with several celebrities. I've seen him on a couple of YouTube channels of YouTubers I watch too, and he seems like a pretty cool and chill guy from what I know online. And very talented, so I'm very excited to use the products that he's chose for us for this month's box. They did put my shipping label on top, so I'm going to kind of place my hand over that just so that info's not visible. But here's what the box looks like. So it's a lavender color. As you see, it's much bigger than any other Ipsy that we would get, and it comes in a box, kind of like BoxyCharm, instead of just a bag like the other Ipsys. So let's go ahead and see what we got. It comes with this. It's kind of like a newspaper, which I thought was cool. The look of it just reminds me of a newspaper, and it has like articles in there. Shows you the product info and everything like that. And then it just has like some info from him, some other celebrities and things like that on the back. So it's really cool. The first thing we got, I'm really excited about. I haven't ever tried anything from Pat McGrath, so it's really cool to get the opportunity to try it in a subscription. Her packaging is always so cool. This one is her Extreme Black Mascara. It says it's the Fetish Eyes Mascara. And there's what the mascara looks like. And here's the wand. So it's kind of bent. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Maybe so. Or if mine's just bent, but I guess that would kind of work to get in there at the right angle. And in the pamphlet here it says this cult favorite mascara from world-renowned makeup artist Pat McGrath has a flexible, buildable formula that allows you to go from soft and fluttery to bold and thick, making it the ultimate pro artist secret for customizable lashes with zero clumps or flakes. And it says, Patrick's tip is, I love that this mascara is so black. It really deepens the eye look and makes it more dramatic. And it retails for $30. Next we have by Complex Culture their Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. Just the packaging. And then here's what it looks like. Pretty cool looking tool. And on that it says the glowing skin and sculpted features Patrick creates on his clients. It starts with the right prep, specifically a smoothing and sculpting face massage using this sonic power tool. Just glide it over your skin to help reduce puffiness, relieve tension, and sculpt your features. And then Patrick's tip says, I use this to work in skincare before makeup. A little extra prep always goes a long way. Retails for $58. We'll have to give that a try. I've never used anything quite like that before. I have used like the roller that you keep in the freezer. I got in another subscription, I think FabFitFun, and that really does help depuff. So I'm interested to see what that little guy does. And the next thing we got, I'm most excited about, is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered. I've never used one of her bigger palettes. I have the mini palettes I've gotten in other boxes, but never one of these larger palettes, and they've always looked so cool when I've seen people use them. That's the packaging. Very beautiful. Then even the little plastic cover has her on it. That's cool too. And then here's the shadows. Very pretty colors, right up my alley. The rose golds, the golds, pinks. Very pigmented. There's just a couple of swatches. I hope you can see that on camera. So very nicely pigmented shades. Having a hard time even getting them off of my finger, which I guess is a good thing. That means that they won't come off easily, hopefully, or, you know, crease or wear away quickly. I'm gonna have to use some makeup remover to get that off. As you can see there, it's still got the stains. And I really like that it has a nice big mirror too. On that one it says, with 18 trendy shades in 4 different finishes, the ultra versatile collection of buttery shadows can be used to create pro quality looks that are soft and romantic or bold and glam. Patrick's tip is to pack on the pigment right where you want it, then take a clean brush or finger to blend the shadow up and out for an elongated cat eye effect. Retails for $65. Next we have by About Face their matte painted lip color. Oh, I love this shade. There's the packaging. It's like a pretty mauve-y color. Oh yeah, very pretty. What it looks like. Patrick is famous for creating super saturated lips, so he had to include this matte liquid lipstick from About Face. A new brand for everyone. Everywhere created by Halsey. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know that was her brand. It's ultra pigmented and long lasting, yet totally lightweight. And Patrick's tip says to add dimension, apply a liner 2 or 3 shades darker than your lipstick, then go in with the actual color in the center and blend. Retails for $22. It's a small packaging for $22, but we'll see how it goes when I try it out. Maybe it's worth it. And then we have by Patrick Ta Beauty, his brand. We have a Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. And mine's in the shade She's Adorable. Very pretty rose gold packaging. Here's the outside, the same pretty rose gold color. Ooh, and then it's a nice peachy tone. Looks like it has a slight shimmer in there. Be very pretty for spring and summer. See if I can do a quick swatch. The camera sometimes washes out the color, but there it is on the side if you can see it. Excited to use that. Fresh Lit From Within Skin is a Patrick Ta signature. Get the look in real life with a few sweeps of this blush across your cheeks and lids. It doubles as a shadow. The pigments are infused with light reflecting mica for a luminous glow. Patrick's tip is apply your blush more toward the upper cheekbone to enhance your bone structure but still give color. Retails for $32. Next I have by Item Beauty their One Hit Prime, Set, and Refresh Dewy Finish Face Mist in a 2.7 fluid ounce. And there's what the packaging looks like. Pretty cool looking packaging. Let's see what the mist looks like. Oh, a nice fine mist. I was in need of a new setting spray, so I'll sit that right here on my vanity to try next time I do my makeup. It says, prime, set, and refresh your makeup with this triple action face mist. It's infused with aloe and tiger grass extracts to help soothe stressed out skin, lavender and rose waters to help tone and brighten, and sodium hyaluronate to lock in hydration. And the tip on this is stash this mist in your bag and use it to refresh your makeup on the go. It'll rehydrate your skin to prevent your makeup from creasing or caking. Retails for $18, so that's not a bad price for a setting spray at all. Next we have by IGK Hair their First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. Deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, and scalp soothing. I've tried like a sample size of this, but I'm so excited to get the full size. I'm almost out of my Ebates dry shampoo I use, so right in time again, just like the setting spray. So that's always nice when you get something you're about to run out of. This one says dealing with second, third, or even fourth day hair. No big deal. This super power dry shampoo refreshes your hair in just a few quick spritzes. Feel free to delay your next wash day a little longer. Tip is mist it on your scalp in strands before bed to soak up oil and odors while you sleep. Retails for $27. And the last thing I got is not in my magazine, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's a Beauty Blender Queen makeup sponge. So it's their beauty blender, but it's just in this cool queen packaging. And just your normal beauty blender, nothing different about it. But I do like the whole little queen packaging up. That's pretty cool. I think those retail for about $20, and we all know what beauty blenders do. Well, probably. It's just a makeup sponge. So overall, I'm really satisfied with this box, guys. Is $55 every 3 months, and they say you get up to a $350 value, which is really good. It kind of reminds me of the Boxy Luxe, if you're familiar with that, just the Ipsy version. But I'm really happy with the products I got here. Most of them were more on the higher end. And I really think it's cool that they'll be partnering with celebrity makeup artists, influencers, and things like that for them each time, from what I understand. And you did get to choose some of your items. I think that I got to choose 3, if I remember right. So that was cool too. If you got the Glam Bag X as well, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you got and what you thought of your first box. I'll have a link down below if you want to subscribe to IpsyGlamBagX as well. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Please hit subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.